Hi friends, today we're in the greenhouses and we just got a shipment of plugs. So we're gonna unbox these and just kind of give you a little taste of what we do as greenhouses and what we start with for our plant material.
Yeah, and see how cute they are.
So some of these, there's various different growers. DS Cole.
So why don't you explain what's all coming out?
So
in here there's lots of cardboard, like
a lot of fillers.
Yep, a lot of fillers.
And they're insulated.
Those are beautiful.
Yeah, those are gonna be nice.
Look at that. Rex Begonias.
Oh, I love Rex Begonias. They're so nice for if you when you have a shaded area. They're so cool, and there's so many different varieties in them. So these are always fun to...
Oh, this is my favorite one.
Which one is this?
It reminds me of a turtle shell.
Zumba? Is that what? Zumba, sure enough.
Zumba. And if you want to see closer up pictures of these, we'll have them on our website and our Facebook page.
Lemongrass.
Mosquitoes.
You never know how this stuff is going to come in because it's literally being shipped by like UPS or FedEx or a private carrier. So sometimes those boxes get tipped around and they go through a lot getting to us. It's been pretty nice. Our weather's been nice, so that's why they're shipping now. The netting helps hold everything in.
This is Loos.
Loos is our most, I would say our most popular. It's our hardest to get. Is we only have so many Loos hanging baskets, and
because they hang down so far.
The last couple of years in a row, we sold out of our Loos hanging baskets by like that day. The first opening day, we sell out.
Did that one get a plant in it?
I don't think so. Cardboard's a little soggy. These boxes actually have styrofoam in them, which really does help protect them from that cold. More Rex Begonias. Oh, escargot. This one is so cool. The leaf is like a swirled. This is one of my favorites. Yeah. So, more escargot.
So that's what we keep doing. We keep unboxing and going through each one, checking against our inventory to make sure we got what we asked for, and then also checking over them to make sure that there's no damage, because if there's damage to them, we need to let the supplier know that so we get credit on it.
So it can be physical damage where it got knocked around, beat up. We've opened up boxes, or frozen. We've opened up boxes where everything's just dumped at the bottom and you're trying to sort out thousands of little plugs and you have no idea what they are.
Yeah,
you know, if it's not obvious like this stuff where, you know, when you have thousands of petunias, they all look alike.
And they each need their own program. So yeah. So I hope you enjoy us doing a little bit of our job during the day here. Have a great day.
Bye-bye.